Animals live in many different places around the world. Each animal's living place is called its habitat. A habitat gives an animal everything it needs to survive, such as food, water, shelter, and air. Together, these habitats make our planet full of life. A habitat is a natural home or environment where an animal lives and grows. It provides the right conditions for the animal to find food, stay safe from danger, and raise its young. Every animal has a habitat that suits its needs, just like people need homes to stay comfortable and safe. A forest habitat is filled with tall trees, thick plants, and plenty of shade. Forests are rich in food sources like fruits and leaves. Many animals such as deer, monkeys, birds, and insects live in forests, using the trees for shelter and protection. The cool and wet environment helps many species thrive. A jungle is a type of forest that is very dense and full of tall trees, vines, and thick vegetation. It is warm, humid, and receives a lot of rain every year. Animals such as tigers, parrots, snakes, and frogs live in jungles where there is plenty of food and places to hide from danger. Deserts are very dry places with little or no rain. The days are hot and the nights can be cold. Only special plants and animals can live here. Camels, lizards, and snakes survive by storing water and staying cool. Cacti and dry bushes grow in deserts, making it a unique but tough environment. The ocean habitat is the largest on Earth and covers most of the planet. It is home to fish, whales, dolphins, and many other sea creatures. Oceans give them food, water, and oxygen. Some animals live near the surface, while others live deep under the water where sunlight never reaches. A savanna is a wide area covered mostly with grass and a few trees. The weather is warm, and there are both rainy and dry seasons. Animals such as zebras, elephants, and lions live in the savanna. They depend on the grasses for food and the open space to move freely in search of water and shelter. The Arctic habitat is the coldest region on Earth. It is covered in ice and snow most of the year. Animals like polar bears, seals, and penguins have thick fur or fat to keep them warm. They are well adapted to survive in freezing temperatures and find food even when it is icy and dark. Mountain habitats are cold, rocky, and often covered in snow. The air is thin, and the temperature is lower at higher places. Animals like mountain goats, snow leopards, and eagles live here. They have strong legs and thick fur to help them climb steep slopes and stay warm. All living things need a home, and every habitat gives animals exactly what they need to live. Forests, jungles, deserts, oceans, savannas, the Arctic, and mountains each support different kinds of life. Together, these habitats make our planet beautifully balanced and full of diversity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.